Hello, my name is sandibell Vega, and today I'm going to show you my project, my final project. It is a pulse monitor, which is going to basically record all the pulse that you receive from this sensor, with which I decided to use with an Uno rather than a photon to make it more easier. And also in the future probably would use a photon for using the particle. For now, I'm going to show you how it's going to function. Right here, I put my finger right here, and it's going to like basically with the code that I use, it's going to print the cellular monitor, and it's going to show you a numbers. Okay, this is how it looks like when I put my finger into the pulse monitor. It just keep going. And the number is just like keep going and just like seeing how much is my pulse monitor it is. Also for future you can use this. You can use this number and just like create a graph to it. If I would do that in the future using like this pulse monitor and use it for my AI class or just like a project just for fun, just like copy and paste and just like do like a CBS and just like seeing how it's going to see my pulse monitor and how it's going to change over the course. And also would have test other patient, which is included my family member, and just like seeing like the results with analyzing this pulse monitor and just seeing how we can become more healthier. Also would add a chatbot, but for now I'm just like trying to figure out some stages. So right here is my final one. So right here you see like this number, like this crazy thing right here. All the way if I go up, it will show you basically what it does. It just like showing you like if I don't have any pulse, it doesn't have any pulse of someone or something, or it doesn't appear, it will show you like that. So for example, if I took out my finger, which I did, and it show you that course of time, expanding it. Also probably in the future would add more things to it. Also thank you and have a nice day.